Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about fashion. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your closet more sustainable. Fashion is a big part of everyone's daily life. Waking up in the morning wondering what are you going to wear, and when you look at your closet, the last thing you can think about is how unsustainable it can be. Do you even know where your clothes are made, or where do they come from, and how they produce tons of carbon dioxide before even touching your skin? And then on a Sunday evening, you're resting on your cozy couch, drinking some wine, and then you click on the Add to Cart button on your favorite website, and then it's too late. You've made a purchase. You don't really know what's hidden behind your today's outfit that you're gonna share on social media. The positive note is that you can make a big change and help the environment that is drastically changing by just doing simple things with your clothes. Step 1. Reduce your fast fashion consumption. The first thing you can do is to reduce your consumption of fast fashion and even reduce your shopping. If you're a shopaholic, it can be hard for you to give up on brand new and never worn clothes. But it is a fact. If less clothes are bought, less clothes are produced. Nowadays, new trends are emerging every week, and the fast fashion is the result of those trends. In order to satisfy the consumer, brands need to produce faster, cheaper, and in a greater quantity. The famous fast fashion brand Zara releases 16 collections a year, which is more than one per month. We all want new clothes, new colors, new designs in our wardrobe. But sometimes we have to take our foot off the gas and slow down our consumption in order to live in a better environment. And if an urgent envy of shopping is calling you, you can always buy secondhand. Step 2. Don't wash your clothes if they are not dirty. This step can seem too obvious, but a pair of jeans doesn't need to be washed after every single use. Unless you sat on something dirty or it smells like French fries, you don't have to throw your clothes directly into the washing machine. As you know, water is precious. And washers use 15 to 30 gallons of water in order to clean the same amount of clothes, compared to older washers which use 29 to 45 gallons per load. Water is part of the conception of a garment. A simple white t-shirt uses 800 gallons of water in order to be produced. In 2015, 79 billion cubic meters of water have been used for the fashion industry. It represents 32 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. Moreover, the more you wash a garment, the more it is going to be worn out. So you might slow down your washing cycles. Step 3. Never throw your clothes in the trash. It takes a lot of electricity, water, people, time, and fabric to create a piece of clothing. If you have decided to sort your wardrobe, do not throw any clothes away. You can give them to an association, put them into a recycle bin, and if you're good at sewing, you can transform them into another beautiful piece of clothing. You can also sell them online on different apps just like Vinted, or in a yard sale, and more. Invite your family and friends over and make them take what they want in your wardrobe. They will probably be very happy to share your style. If you give or sell a piece of clothing, it is another one that will not be bought in a store. Nowadays, second-hand clothes is the option of the moment. That is why a lot of online stores, just like Zalando for example, created a second-hand category. Organize your closet. It can seem too easy, but it is a simple step to make your closet more sustainable. Why? Because if your clothes are organized, and tidy, you will be able to see them all. No more, I have nothing to wear. You have it and you can see it. You will not have to buy those black suit pants because they are right there in front of you. When you buy new clothes, make sure you will be able to create outfits out of them. Step 5. When buying, check the quality. Selecting the best sustainable piece of clothing starts by looking at the label. If you want a piece of clothing that lasts, comes from a biological cotton, or even was recycled, you will need to check the label. If the fabric is of low quality, regardless of how good the clothing design is or how good it fits, it simply will not last very long. Buy things with longevity to transform your wardrobe into a more sustainable closet. If the label does not indicate anything particular, it means that the cotton is not bio and the fabrication is not ecological. Garments that are cheap are polyester, acrylic, and nylon. You might want to switch for garments with more traditional fabrics such as cotton, denim, linen, bamboo, corduroy, and it is better if it is eco-friendly. The artisan brand Michael Leon said that 9 to 11 stitches per inch is a good standard, depending on the fabric. For example, a summer dress will be more sustainable in organic cotton or in linen rather than made out of wool because it is simply lighter. Those 5 steps will help your wallet, your style, and most importantly, the environment. Step by step, we can all have a sustainable way of living. We just need the right information and the right tools. Well, I hope you guys liked the video and I'll see you soon. Take care.